welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have okra seafood called Fisherman Soup. So we're going to be making it with this fresh okra, and we also have this fresh fish here, and we have crab, and we also have this fish mixed. It's called seafood mixed, and we have shrimps, and we also have spinach. We have onions and green red pepper, and we also have mushroom and fresh chili pepper and crayfish. So watch out and see how I am going to transform all these ingredients to Fisherman Soup, which is called okra seafood. If you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and all my subscribers, you are all welcome. Thank you all, and my name is Joy, and the soup will start to cooking now. Follow us. So we have to start with the fish. These are the pots we're going to use for the cooking, and these are all the fish. Just put them inside the pot. These are all the fish. Right now we're going to add pepper mix to this very soup. These are all the pepper mix. We just have to pick this very soup, and we're just gonna add all the spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll add seasoning. We're gonna add salt, a little bit of salt, and we'll add a little bit of water. This is water, just a little bit. Steam it very well, and we're just going to stir it a little bit more. So now we're just going to let everything cook before we start the cooking of the okra. Remember, this is Fisherman Soup, also called seafood okra. So please subscribe to this channel. So it's time to check the soup base. Oh wow, this is the fish, it's cooked, and now we have to start with the okra. Right away, we're just going to take this one out of the fire and start the cooking. So right away, we're just going to start with a little bit of palm oil, just a little bit. That's enough of the palm oil, and we're just going to add the great okra. These are all the great okra. Give it a soak a little bit. These are the okra. So right away, just gonna add crayfish. This is ground crayfish. Just gonna add this crayfish to it. The next thing we're going to add now is the pepper mix. These are the remaining of the pepper mix we used to boil fish today. Just add it to it. The next we're going gonna be adding is Iru locust beans. Add that. Before it will evaporate out, we're just gonna be adding crab. These are the crab. We're just gonna add all the crab to it. These are all the crab. So with this crab now, we're going to be adding salt and seasoning. We're going to add some salt and seasoning to it. So these are the salt, a little bit of it. Not too much. And we add some seasoning. Remember, okra don't have weight to cook. And when it comes to seafood, you have to make it cook a little bit. It will not destroy the slime. It will still be very slimy. And right away, we're just going to be adding mushrooms. These are all the mushrooms already washed. Very slimy. Just let it cook out for a few minutes before we start adding every other thing to it. So this is the soup and it's getting ready. So this is it. Wow, this is very well cooked with the crab. Right away now, we're just going to add all the other fish. These are shrimps and fish meats. Just going to add all this to it. So this is it. So slimy. These are Fisherman Soup. This is one of the soup you will eat and you will forget your sorrow. This is one of the most tastiest soup you can ever eat. It's called Fisherman Soup. Okra seafood. You can use any type of seafood you want. Use the one you really know you enjoy. You can use that. So right now, I am going to be adding the fish. Remember the fish. These are the fish. This is it. Wow, this is called Fisherman Soup. I know my pot, you guys always complain, but my pot is too small for it, but it's okay. It will be fine. Wow. So these are the okra seafood called Fisherman Soup. So right now just gonna add all the vegetables. Finish. Just let it relax for at least another 3 minutes. So this is the soup. Oh my god, these are all the fisherman soup. It's ready. Wow, please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. These are all the fisherman soup that we all make today. You can see how beautiful this soup is. All fish, fresh fish. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video and also give it a thumbs up. Wow. So I'm gonna serve it with correct millets. So this is the soup. It's already cooked.